We are able to spot this particular move on VIX 75 index, okay, and on the 4 hour time frame we note that price is doing something great here. So I just want to show you how I was able to spot this here on VIX 75 75 second, or rather the VIX 75 on the 4 hour time frame. Okay, already I've given this trade out to my students on the general platform, so I'm going to show you how I'm able to spot this on VIX 75. Okay, so the first thing we want to note is that price definitely has been on a downtrend for the past few hours. Okay, so that's the first thing we note here. So you can see the long downtrend. Okay, so this has confirmed to us that whatever decision we want to make in the market, definitely it's going to be in a downtrend area. Okay, so that's the first thing. We know that our trend is a downtrend. Okay, so that's the first thing you want to do whenever you want to take a trade. You want to first of all determine the trend of that market. Okay, so on VIX 75 we know that this is a downtrend. Okay, so after that what we want to do is to note the major support and resistance level in the market. Okay, is to note the major resistance and support level. So if you look very well, you will notice as price created this high here. Remember, we have our first high at this particular level here, so this will be our first high here. Okay, and then this will be our next high at this particular level here. Okay, and then price came and what we saw here was that price came and created another high here. Okay, and then price came and took out this high here. Okay, at this level here, that's what we note, and that was what price has been doing for the past few days. Okay, so I'm going to just draw out that particular level here. So we note that price took out this liquidity here, and then we saw that after price took out this liquidity at this level, this was like a liquidity grab here. Okay, a liquidity grab here, and then we notice that price definitely went to the downside. Okay, price went to the downside, and this was what price did. Okay, and remember, in time past, after we'll be able to spot this, the next thing we want to do is to determine our key level, which will be like our support and resistance. Okay, like our support and resistance here. Okay, and then when we do that, we'll notice that our key level here was somewhere around here. Okay, don't forget that our key level was somewhere around here, because if we notice, we saw that price kept rejecting at this particular level, at this particular level. Okay, at this particular level here, we saw price kept rejecting here. We saw price kept rejecting at this particular level. You can see this weak rejection. Okay, and price closing at this level, price opening and selling hard from that level, price rejecting from that level. Okay, and then price breaking out, coming back again, and breaking out. Now we see price coming back to that same level. Okay guys, so that is the second confirmation, and that's why you are able to see that this trade is moving the way it is doing. Okay, and so we've talked about the trend. Now we've talked about the trend, and also we've talked about the key level. Remember, the trend here is a downtrend. Okay, and then for the key level we have a resistance level. Okay, a resistance level. Okay, so now what we are going to look at lastly for our final confirmation will be the chart pattern. Okay, and the chart pattern, for us to be able to identify the chart pattern, we have to go to the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so on the 5 minutes time frame, you will notice that price created something like a double top here. Okay, it's not nearly a perfect double top, but it's a double top. Okay, so you can see the move here. So we expect price to keep going downwards. Okay, so it's like a double top. Okay, and then since price failed to since price failed to, from this low here, it failed to take out this high. Okay, we can see that market failed to take this high here, and then but market is still failing to take this low here. Okay, so I just feel that price is in between making a decision for itself, but ultimately we believe that price is going to be going down, since this is a major resistance level. Okay, so we expect price to go down. So should in case price goes in our favor, this will be making $37 from this trade here. Okay, and then should in case price does not go in our favor, will be losing just $8. Okay, so that means the risk to reward ratio on this particular trade is 1 to 5, guys, so which is a good risk to reward ratio for us. Okay, so I believe you gain value from this. Make sure you go to your chart and practice with this same strategy again and again until you master it. Okay, I can't wait to see you win. And if you have any question, you have any doubts about anything you need to know, leave a comment in the comment description of this video, and definitely I'll reach out to you to answer your question. Okay guys, so till I see you in my next trading video, stay profitable and cheers guys.